Hi, my name is Heather Lounsbury. I am a licensed acupuncturist, herbalist, and nutritionist based in West L.A. I have been a healthcare provider for almost 15 years now, and I actually started studying holistic medicine at age 14, so for quite a while. It's been a big passion of mine. And with these videos, I hope you get to learn more about what I do and how Chinese medicine and acupuncture can help you and your loved ones. So Michelle's in today to get a little help with losing weight. And acupuncture, along with Chinese herbs and proper nutrition, are a great way to lose weight without doing any extreme diets. So first, I'm going to check her pulse. And in Chinese medicine, you can tell what all the organs of the body are doing by the pulse. Once I'm done with that, I will be looking at her tongue as well, and that will give me more of an indicator of how to treat her today to increase her metabolism and also reduce her craving for sugar. Let me take a look at your tongue, Michelle. Can you stick it out for me, please? Okay, thank you. So with the feel of her pulse and looking at her tongue, I know exactly what points will be best for her today. Okay, so the points on her stomach, I'm going to do a point here and on each side. That will help increase her metabolism, speed up her metabolism, so she can lose weight more easily. And it actually will also help with sugar cravings. And the point here on her forehead helps with stress and anxiety. A lot of times when people are trying to lose weight, they get very anxious about the idea of having to cut back on calories and so forth. And then there's a point above the ankle, which will help with metabolism as well, and just at the base of the big toe. And I'm also going to do a point that helps nourish her blood. So if she's cutting back on some of her foods, to make sure that she's taking in all the nutrients that she needs. And there are also points on the ear where it'll help with her metabolism and also sugar cravings, and also to increase the function of her thyroid. Her thyroid is a little low, so there's a point on the ear that will help the health of her thyroid, so she has a better energy and health. So what I'm going to do next is spray what's usually called moxibustion, and you want to put it on certain points to help speed up metabolism. Normally you would burn this as an herb, a fresh herb, but a lot of people don't like the smell of the smoke, so I use an essential oil spray instead. And then you place this infrared lamp at a temperature that is comfortable to the patient on the belly, and this also increases the effectiveness of the moxibustion spray and speeds up your metabolism. And it's also a great way to keep you warm during the treatment, so you stay nice and comfortable. So what I also do for the patients with most of the treatments, but definitely for weight loss, is I put something called ear seeds onto the ear. It attaches with a clear Band-Aid, and it doesn't puncture the skin. And I put an ear seed on for stress, for cravings, thyroid, and also to speed up her metabolism. They'll stay on for about 4 to 5 days, and she will press on them whenever she remembers to, hopefully several times a day. And that way she's able to give herself many treatments in between office visits. How are you doing, Michelle? Good. Did you have a nice nap? So now it's time to take the needles out. They were in for about 30 minutes. First I will turn off the infrared lamp and then take out her needles. Okay. So I'm taking the last one out of her stomach. You can see how easy it is and how relaxed she looks. Now she can go on and enjoy the rest of her day.